Greetings, friends. Greetings and welcome to CP Careers. We are glad to connect with you and we are happy to share the new position. This is in the domain of digital marketing. In fact, digital marketing is growing pretty fast. No marketing or a product selling company can think of working in today's date without digital marketing. Digital marketing is something which empowers the SMEs or even the big companies to generate leads and achieve brand development for themselves. So there is a good demand of digital marketing professionals in today's date, and keeping the trend moving, we have a position of search engine optimization with our client, which is in BFSI domain. So let's go to the page and check out more about the details here. Here we go. So this position is of search engine optimization SEO executive with our client based in Bombay, and this is for a BFSI domain. This is an SME which has a turnover of roughly around 70-80 crore rupees, and they are primarily into loan distribution, and they are looking for an SEO executive with 3 to 5 years of experience. Now if you are looking at the page, you can also see submit your CV, chat with us. So I'll tell you more about these once we are done with the job description. So what are we looking at? So we are looking at somebody who has a very good SEO experience and who has a prior experience in content marketing, content growth. So you should have a very good knowledge about SEO. Now SEO is, we are looking at somebody who knows about the ranking of the website on given text words. So that is what is SEO. So you should know on which words you have to achieve your website's ranking. For this, you have to do a lot of activities. You have to do a lot of content marketing. You have to make sure that the relevant content which is there on your website is mapped with the other websites. So that is what is SEO, and we are looking for people, those who are highly skilled in this and should have 3 to 5 years of experience. So the role is of SEO specialist. Industry, as I specified, it is BFSI. We are looking for somebody from BFSI, means banking, financial services, broking, insurance industry. And if somebody is there working with a website company which has a website which is selling through website, it would be preferred. And the graduation is what is the education minimum qualification required, and the person should have a good knowledge about SEO tools and also Google Analytics, content marketing, content editing, and the relevant skills. So this is what is required here. And now coming back to the top of the things, if you think that you are matching these requirements, please click on this link and submit your CV here. And if you still have some queries, you can chat with us by clicking on this link. So friends, we look forward to connecting with you, and the basic objective of this video is so that you understand the profile clearly, and if you think that you are matching this, then apply for this, so that your time is also not wasted, our time is also not wasted, and if you are applying, you have a successful application. So friends, thank you so much. We will keep on uploading the new positions as and when we get it, and we would like to request you to please subscribe to our channel, so that whenever we upload the new position, you will get an instant notification of the same. And please click on the bell notification link also, so that you are properly connected with us, and we look forward to growing with you. So thank you friends, have a great time and have a great career ahead. Thank you and God bless you guys.